Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Park Ridge, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is over 100 miles away from your current location. Whether within the same state or outside the state, a long-distance move requires adequate preparation. Common issues that may arise from long-distance moves are not getting your belongings on time and not getting them in good condition. 3 Movers provides excellent long-distance moving services, and we have a team of professionals that take charge of the entire move. Our movers are highly organized, and they arrange and handle your items carefully. Our insurance plan covers risk liability during the transfer. We also work closely with the authorities in charge of long-distance moves and follow state and federal highway regulations. We also have experienced and competent drivers that drive carefully and get to your new location on time. Local moves are generally less expensive than long-distance moves, and we provide the cheapest local moving services in Park Ridge. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour, which is one of the reasons why locals are quick to recommend us. In a busy city like Park Ridge, it's hard to get to a moving company that provides prompt services. We are also readily available for you to reach out to us. We know all the local and major routes and get to your new location at the agreed time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Park Ridge moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.